Evidence suggests that early childhood education is most effective when parents are learning alongside with their children. Childreach is an early years center, and we specialize in working with families with young children, age 0 to 6. Anyone can come. We're open for families in London 6 days a week. All the services we provide are offered for free. We offer playgroups inside, we offer outdoor playgroups, we also offer online programs as well. We have play areas that nurture creative play, dramatic play, STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math play. Wild Child is an outdoor playgroup offered in a forest setting. It is entirely unstructured. There are no toys, there is no classroom. The forested area itself becomes the environment that nurtures play and learning. They're testing their limits and they're building their own confidence and independence. Our team at Childreach is comprised of early childhood educators. Everyone is a trained early years professional, and they're here to support parents on their parenting journey. Everything we do at Childreach involves the parent and child learning together through play.